So, if you have never seen chimpanzee, and you have never seen the way he's feed, wait, watch this video to the end. Comment and like. This is amazing. I've bring zoo into your front door. Watch the video to the end. See how he's feeding. Imagine this guy. He has a mind to be feeding this chimpanzee on the water side. This is beautiful. This is awesome. Watch the video to the end and tag me later. This is amazing. Big boys. They are feeding with bread. Oh my God. Is it not amazing? Look at how calm. Look at how calm this monkey is. Look at how calm he is. Sometimes I'll be wondering, some animal are more calm than human being. This is amazing. Look at how he's feeding. See you there.
Is it good, huh?
Please don't scroll. I'm just trying to become a big content creator one day, but I have no supporters. So if you have the chance, please subscribe.